Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well on this Sunday afternoon. It's our first plane. I haven't had a chance to look at flight radar yet, but it looks like an American to me. Well, I was half correct. It is an American, but it's also the PSA Retro livery, going from San Francisco to Atlanta. Nice first catch of the day. Not sure who this guy is, but he's about 40 miles north of us. That's crazy. If it wasn't for the sun being the way it is, I would not be able to see him. Might be a Delta. Still cool that we can catch him this far out. And he's got no contrail too. That's pretty impressive catch. I was wrong earlier. That PSA livery was going to Charlotte, not Atlanta. It's a Delta A321neo, and we'll wait for it to get a little closer, but it's going from Seattle to Fort Lauderdale. I'm not sure if that's in focus, but that is an American 777 going from DFW to Narita, Tokyo. We just had a Southwest MAX 8 fly over, and I caught a glimpse of it. It didn't have a contrail, but that was going from Colorado Springs to Bewee, and it got a beat away from me. Friend Sandra will be happy about that. I can't see that because the sun is right in my face. I can see a little bit of the contrail, so hopefully the plane is getting in the image. Oh, you can hear it. How do I lose that? Like, it's a huge 777. There it is. There's another contrail. Haven't had a chance to look to see what it is. Besides a plane. I'll either tell you here in a minute or figure it out during editing. Somewhere right there. Somewhere right there. He just went behind that tree. See if we can get him on the other side. There he is. Come on, focus. It's an American 787. Going from Dallas to South Korea. Seoul. Incheon? Itchin? Sounds like I'm saying Itchin. Scratch, scratch. Probably just offended a bunch of people, but it's going to South Korea. Korea. Very nice. Delta A321neo from Seattle to Orlando. PA focus. This is a United Airbus. I forgot origin and destination. It's 2 planes I want to get. Probably not going to get them, but we're going to try. Optimism. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up or not, but there's our Rockwell Commander. Just took off from our airport. It's behind the tree now. Yeah, it's gone. Anyway, hopefully you got some of that. If not, we'll go ahead and end here. There's not very many overheads flying right now, so. I believe that's an Allegiance. I could be wrong on that based on what I'm seeing here. But if it is the Allegiant, it's going from Phoenix to St. Cloud, which is in Minnesota, I believe. I was wrong on that plane. That was a United going from San Diego to Chicago. But cool shot of the moon. Uh-oh. We had a Frontier A321neo going from Denver to Oklahoma City. Wait for that to get closer. There's a Southwest over there. Don't remember where it's going or coming from, but it's definitely a Southwest. Look at that. Meow. That Southwest was going from Midway to Phoenix. Plenty of birds in this tree today. Are those the invasive ones from Europe, Wendy? Why don't you let me know? You got a FedEx 767 from Memphis to Denver. He crossed right to the left of the moon, look. There's the moon. Overhead. See if we can catch him going above these clouds. 100% framing? Kinda. About to be probably 80% cloud. We have a Delta E175 from Tulsa to Salt Lake City. It's an American 737-800 going from Palm Springs, California to, I don't remember. I'll look it up here in a little bit. CRJ 200 going from Joplin to Denver.
It's going to Denver?
Yep.
Look, that's a cool one. Look. I can't climb up it. Unless they're going on the ladder. Because it's easy. Daddy, you eat.
Go back to the moon here for a minute. Actually, this is probably going to be the end of the video. You may have noticed that we skipped a few hours in between earlier and now. It's about 7-something p.m. and it's time to go get ready for work tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.